Explode your Facebook page traffic with this one unbelievable trick. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around till the end of this video, as not only will you learn essential tactics to grow your Facebook page, but you'll also discover some unexpected strategies that will elevate your approach and results. Defining your target audience is fundamental for a successful Facebook page. You need to understand who is most likely to engage with your brand, including their interests and online habits. This insight guides your content creation, ensuring it appeals directly to the people who matter most to your brand. Creating a compelling Facebook page involves more than just filling out details. Choose visually appealing profile and cover photos to set the tone. Craft a bio that tells your brand's story succinctly, inviting potential followers to explore more and engage with your content. Developing a content strategy is key to an engaging Facebook page. Determine the type of content your audience prefers, such as informative articles, entertaining videos, or eye-catching infographics. Plan a content calendar to organize and ensure a steady stream of engaging posts. Posting regularly on your Facebook page is vital to maintain engagement and visibility. Consistency helps build a loyal following. Analyze when your audience is most active, using Facebook Insights and schedule posts accordingly to maximize reach and interaction. Using high-quality visuals captures your audience's attention. Professional photos and graphics make your content stand out and more shareable. Incorporating videos can further boost engagement, as they tend to attract more interaction and shares. Facebook Stories provide a unique way to connect with your audience. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses or day-to-day operations to foster a closer connection. Use interactive elements like polls and questions to engage your followers and gain insights. Interacting with your audience is essential for building a vibrant community. Respond promptly to comments and messages to show that you value their input. Encouraging and sharing user-generated content also helps followers feel part of your brand's story. Hosting live sessions on Facebook increases engagement. Announce interactive events like Q&A sessions or product demos in advance. These live interactions allow for real-time engagement, giving your brand a more approachable and personable feel. Utilizing Facebook groups helps build a sense of community. Create a group related to your page for deeper engagement. Participating in other relevant groups can also increase your visibility and attract new followers. Contests and giveaways can significantly boost engagement and traffic. Design activities that encourage sharing and tagging to maximize exposure. Follow Facebook's promotional guidelines to ensure your contests are effective and compliant. Investing in Facebook ads targets specific audiences. Tailored ad campaigns can ensure your content reaches the most relevant users. Experiment with different ad formats and targeting options to find the most effective approach for your audience. Partnering with influencers can lend authenticity and trust to your brand. Collaborate to create content that fits naturally with their and your audience. This strategy not only increases visibility, but also adds credibility to your brand, attracting more users. Cross-promoting your Facebook content on other social platforms can drive more traffic. Share your Facebook posts on platforms like Instagram or Twitter. Include your Facebook page link to guide interested users to more of your content. SEO optimization for your Facebook page can increase its visibility. Incorporate relevant keywords into your page's content to improve search engine rankings. Get reputable sites to link back to your page to further enhance your SEO efforts and organic reach. Regularly analyzing your Facebook Insights is crucial. This reveals what content resonates with your audience and why. Use this data to refine your content strategy, ensuring your posts remain relevant and engaging to keep your audience involved. Feeling inspired by our videos? Keep the inspiration alive. Click subscribe, show your support with a like, and ring the bell for a continuous flow of inspiring content. Ready for more motivational moments? Let's jump back into the inspiration. Offering exclusive deals to Facebook followers enhances loyalty. Provide special offers only available to your Facebook community. Limited time offers create urgency, driving interaction and attracting new followers. Using Facebook events can drive engagement and gather your community. Create events for online webinars or offline meetups to enhance visibility and anticipation. Promote these events on various platforms for greater attendance and increased page traffic. A call to action, CTA button on your page, can guide followers towards desired actions. Test different CTAs to discover what resonates with your audience. This optimization helps in not just attracting traffic, but also driving meaningful conversions. Showcasing reviews and testimonials from customers boosts your page's credibility. Positive feedback serves as social proof, persuading new users to follow your page. Display these testimonials prominently in your posts to enhance your brand's reputation. A referral program can significantly increase your page's traffic. Incentivize followers to invite their friends by offering rewards. This strategy expands your reach, bringing in followers who are likely to be interested in your content. Staying updated with Facebook's latest features keeps your page fresh and engaging. Utilize new tools to offer varied content formats and interactive elements. This keeps your audience curious and engaged with your page. Leveraging Facebook Insights helps you tailor your content effectively. Analyze your audience's demographics and interests to create more impactful posts. This data-driven approach ensures your content is always relevant and engaging. Efficient budget planning across ads, content creation, and promotions is key. Allocate resources wisely and monitor ROI to ensure every dollar spent contributes towards your page's growth objectives and audience engagement. Monitoring competitors on Facebook can offer valuable insights. Observe their strategies to learn what might work for your page. Use this information to inform your content strategy and stand out in the market. Personalizing interactions on Facebook can deepen audience engagement. Respond to comments and messages in a personalized manner. This fosters closer relationships, making each follower feel valued and heard. Building a community is essential for a loyal following. Highlight members and their stories to create a sense of belonging. This approach turns followers into active participants, contributing to your page's engagement and dynamism. Educating your audience through your content adds value. Share informative and accessible content like how-to guides or infographics. This builds trust and encourages followers to return to your page for valuable insights. Authenticity is critical for a successful Facebook page. Share genuine stories and experiences to make your brand relatable. Authentic content fosters stronger connections and more meaningful interactions with your audience. Strategic use of hashtags can expand your content's reach. Include relevant hashtags to make your posts discoverable to a wider audience. Balance their use to maintain authenticity and avoid appearing spammy. User-generated content builds engagement and trust. Feature content from your followers to provide social proof. Encouraging audience contributions makes your brand more relatable and trustworthy, enhancing engagement and loyalty. Embark on a journey to redefine your digital business potential. It all starts with our free ebook, a primer on today's most advanced online business strategies. But this is just the prelude to your transformation. Up next, immerse yourself in a strategic 15-day challenge, specifically engineered to put these cutting-edge strategies into practice with guidance from esteemed digital business leaders. This is where you transition from concept to execution, equipped with a suite of tools essential for making a significant impact in the digital marketplace. Are you prepared to rise to the occasion? Dive in with determination. Click the link in the description and begin your ascent to digital business excellence. Cooling down from today's e-earning fitness challenge. Worked out with the method, muscular gains, or still stretching? Share your fitness journey in the comments. Did today's financial workout pump up your earnings? Click like to show off your strength. Eager to train more in the gym of online income? Subscribe and grab your water bottle, ensuring you're always ready for the next intense session. Before you hit the showers, notice that video on the treadmill? It's a regimen for another high-energy e-earning workout. Lace up and let's keep building the muscle of digital wealth. Until our next sweat session.